Hi, I'm Giles Robinson, and I'm going to show you how you can use the Colour Wow Mousse. Blondes especially struggle with the yellowy, brassy tones in their hair, and I'm going to show you how you can use this purple tint to actually neutralise that. First thing I'm going to do is get her hair washed. So you can see this has the perfect tint of purple to neutralise any of those yellow tones. Now when you're applying it, you want to really make sure you work it into the hair, and you can see how much neater and cleaner this is. Any of you who have used a purple shampoo in the past will know what a mess it is. It can stain your scalp, it can leave your bathroom in a real mess. This has the perfect amount of dye just to neutralize any of those yellow tones without being messy. Now this is not like a traditional mousse, so don't be scared of it. This foam is alcohol-free, first of all, so it's not going to dry your hair out in any way, but it really is all about that toning aspect, so it's safe to be worked right through the hair. So this foam is completely different to a traditional mousse. You can see how my brush glides through the hair. The hair is silky, it's not sticky, it's not crunchy at all in any way, but also you can see the elasticity and the bounce. So now we've finished the blow dry, you can see what a beautiful, crisp, blonde tone their hair has. And obviously the foam is really designed to perfect that. Now this really is a major upgrade from your traditional purple shampoos that are messy and dirty and kind of get everywhere. This really is a cleaner, friendlier, healthier way to tone your hair.